Y'all, so today we are going to be making apple fritters. We're just going to keep this simple. Let's do it. Flour, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, butter. Obviously we got some apples and we have some apple sauce. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright, so we're going to start with 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon of salt. Now in the ingredient list, I forgot eggs. So we need 2 eggs. Three tablespoons of melted butter. Half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of applesauce. Now we are going to go ahead and get this a really good mixing. We're going to set this to the side real quick. So we've gone ahead, peeled 2 Granny Smith apples. Now we're just going to go ahead and dice up, smally dice up our apples. And then throw them in our batter. I'm going to do all mine, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we got our apples mixed into our batter. Now we're going to go ahead over to our oil. We've already heated it up to about 350 degrees. So let's go start cooking these things up. Alright y'all, so we're going to take about a tablespoon, an actual tablespoon, not the measurement tablespoon. And we're going to drop them in. We're going to cook them for about a minute on each side. You don't want them to get too brown. After a minute, go ahead, flip them over. Keep an eye on your oil temperature. After another minute, we're going to go ahead and pull them out. I got a cookie sheet with paper towel on it with a cooling rack on it. We're going to go ahead and put these on here. And then we are going to rinse and repeat until everything is cooked. At that point, I'll bring you back. Hi, y'all. So we cooked all of ours. While they are cooling, we're going to make our icing. Another ingredient that I realized just now that I forgot in the intro is powdered sugar. So we're going to take half a cup of powdered sugar. Probably going to need more. It's just a good starting spot. We're just going to add a little bit of milk. Just a little bit of milk at a time. I think we're definitely going to need more, so I'm just going to take half a cup of powdered sugar. I'll be honest, never really measured icing, I just kind of play it by eye. So we want a thicker consistency. That is what we are looking for. Right there. Now we have our fritters. I'm going to go ahead. Put them back on the rack. We're going to rinse and repeat with all of them. I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we glazed them. I went ahead and put them on a serving platter. You obviously don't got to do that. But if you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.